Sprite tänava korvpalli Eesti meistrivõistluste 4. etapp, eelviimane etapp Pärnus. Palav on siin, lähen vaatame.
Hey yo, first off the list, you need a DJ with a quick wrist revolution, my man. Listen to the sound of top, come on, accompanied by the heavily high rhyme, ready to drop. Plus Wayne King Tech, the bus and bring death. The style of beyond, call my leader, put me on. The sickening lyricist for those who want to repose and sleep during wake-up shows with no beats. We stand beating the glow with the SOB symbol. Certified, I heard a guy spitting on the issue.
Hey yo, revolution will not be televised live. For the fact he's audible, wrecking it worldwide.
Tšikipao, hudinaas lambad, Põhjamaade hirm ja TT. Varastame siin teie aega ja teie kuulmismeel ja tervet mõistust. Põhjamaade hirm ja tohtaeg, 12 egg monkey ja Tšikipao, hudinaas
Sul pole
lambad.
aega enam üldse neid hetki kindlustada, sest need kaovad sult enne, kui jõuad silma pilgutada. Me laename neid sinult, tõtt-öelda varastame ja terve banaanivabariigi miljööd me kajastame. Ei paluma risti, et andestaks ta meile kõik patud, sest tema on just kasvatanud meile pikad näpud. Kui sa pea 1000 aastat võõraketi otsas kargan, siis pole ka ime, kui pooled meist on taskupargad.
Kõik vaatame, kes tahab näha, kes ühe viskega, kuidas on võimalik auto võita. See on selge. Arik Veesner siis Toyota autovõitja.
See nigga survived the worst, but my life is glorious. Better know that I leaped every hurdle and I'm so victorious. I superseded every one of my little struggles and failure has never ever been an option. A nigga paper long like rush hour traffic and I'm about to take a hood shopping. Get it!
Together we made it.
See, we did it, niggas.
We made it even though we had our backs up against the wall.
Come on.
Forever we waited, and they told us we were never gonna get it, but we took it on the road, on the road, on the road.
In the presence to this banging instrumental.
On the road.
Ride with me, we come to get it.
Yo, when it all got started, we were steadily just getting rejected, and it seemed like nothing we could do would ever get us respected. At best we were stressed, at the worst they probably said we're pathetic. Had all the pieces to that puzzle, just no way to connect it. I was fighting through every rhyme, tightening up every line, never resting the question if I was out of my mind. It finally came time to do it or let it die, so we put the chips on the table and let it ride, singing yeah.
Together we made it.
See, we did it,
We
niggas.
made it even though we had our backs up against the wall.
Come on.
Forever we waited, and they told us we were never gonna get it, but we took it on the road, on the road, on the road.
In the presence to this banging instrumental.
On the road,
Ride with me,
on the road,
we come to get it.
on the road.
Yeah. Look.
Sprite tänava korvpalli Eesti meistrivõistluste 4. etapp on täna läbi saanud. Kohtume Tallinnas 8.–9. august, Vabaduse väljak. Näeme seal.